Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to go through how you update the Google Play Store. So it's super simple, super quick. So let's get into today's video. Okay, so let's open the Google Play Store. Okay, so once we've it open, first thing we're going to do is going to go up to the top right hand corner and click the little picture view. Okay, so once we're here, we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to settings, the second from bottom. Okay, so when we're here, we're going to go to about. So here we can see what version of Google Play Store we're on. If there is no update, if you're on the most recent one, it shouldn't say update. So in my case, it's asking me to update the Google Play Store. So to update, I'm just going to simply click on the green where it says update Google Play Store is up to date. So it actually says I'm up to date. I didn't think it was. So it's that simple to update. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you very much.